This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Insert the ignition key into the lock, rotate it anti-clockwise to release the bonnet, then clockwise to release the safety catch. Open the bonnet and support it with the prop. Brake and clutch fluid level. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. The fluid level must be between the maximum and minimum marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, wipe clean the top of the reservoir, then unscrew the filler cap. Add new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. Coolant level. The coolant reservoir is located on the left-hand side of the engine compartment. With the engine cold, the coolant level should be up to the maximum mark. If topping up is necessary, slowly unscrew the filler cap and allow any residual pressure to escape. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. Engine oil level. The engine oil filler cap and level dipstick are often brightly coloured for easy identification. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. If the level is below or near the minimum mark, topping up is necessary. Rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add the correct grade of oil a little at a time. Check the level on the dipstick frequently. When the level is correct, remove the funnel. Refit the filler cap and tighten it securely. Power steering fluid. The power steering fluid reservoir is located at the front of the engine compartment. With the cold engine turned off and the wheels in the straight ahead position, the fluid level should be between the minimum and maximum marks. If topping up is necessary, clean the top of the reservoir and unscrew the filler cap. Using a funnel to minimise spillage, add the correct grade of the fluid to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. Screenwash level. The Screenwash reservoir filler cap is located at the left-hand side of the engine compartment. Pull open the lid, then add a mixture of Screenwash additive and water to the reservoir. Close the filler cap. Clip the support back into place on the front panel, then firmly close the bonnet.